Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I talk a lot about that $15 catch basin. Take a look. You can see the flooded area, and here's the catch basin. A small 6x6 catch basin solves that problem, less than $15. This little catch basin, it totally solves the problem of the water flooding under the floor and getting into this building. Watch and see how we trench and how we discharge this pipe.
Here where Derek's digging, you can see how muddy it is right here. When it rains, this water's just been flooding. It comes in underneath the floor up into the room. So we need to dig a trench that comes around. Got some heavy tree roots, real heavy tree roots. And come through these roots, come over here by the sidewalk, come down, discharge the line here so that it has some fall, has gravity. We have to get that water to flow away from that area. Once it gets out here, it could just easily run down. There's a storm drain at the other end. Okay, so got our trench cleaned out. Just taking it a little bit deeper. Make sure we have good fall as we come around. Line will come down. We're walking downhill right now, if you can't tell. And discharge out here. We'll scrape this so that it comes to grade.
This little catch basin, it solved the problem of water flooding up and under the floor here. And the parts, we've got a 6x6 catch basin, 60 feet of corrugated pipe, and a pop-up emitter. The total price is probably right around $80 for all the parts. Really a straightforward job, something that you can easily do. Might take you about 3 to 4 hours, depending on what you're digging through. Remember, this had a lot of tree roots.
Okay, so we've got this line installed. You can see it comes out here to a pop-up, an emitter. Water comes down the line, and as it does, it just pushes this little top up right here. Kind of hard for me to do with my fingernails, but you can see it just pushes the water up, lets it escape all around here. We'll run down the hill, down to the storm drain. Now we just need to cover it up. We've already started covering. Pretty simple job. Definitely the homeowner can do this job himself.
4 to 5 hours and you're done. It's really a great do-it-yourself project. We are at a hotel here in South Carolina, and you can see they have other problems there, and we do a lot of work for this company. So again, a really great project for the do-it-yourselfer. Won't take you long at all, but if you don't think you can do that and you need to hire someone, just make sure that they're a reputable company and they can get this job done right the first time. Remember I said we do a lot of work for this hotel chain. Can you see that white PVC pipe right up on the foundation? That's a downspout drain, and that's perforated PVC, and the maintenance man put that in. He tried, but it's perforated pipe and it's right up on the foundation. You can imagine the problems.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.